This solar sales app was getting a lot of support tickets and it was hurting growth. New users were finding it difficult to white label the experience. So we decided to use AI chat to fix the friction. Here's how. So we wanted to make that process really quick and easy. To do that, we introduced these AI teammates that are in charge of specific things in the application. So in this case, we're using Spark, who's in charge of growth, and helping them tweak their visuals to maximize sales. So the first things first is that you can see there's a clear guide as to what needs to be done in this area, but we're focusing on this top bit. One challenge in adding chats is that you've got actions on left and then edit on right. You don't want to have two primary actions. So when we're talking about inputs, most of the first inputs will happen in the chat interface. So you've got what's your website address. You click to add it. It will then pull in your logo, your colors. It will also bring in your brand tone, your strap line, and your unique selling points. This is using defaults, so it means that people don't start from scratch. It just makes things a lot easier to edit rather than add. So in this area, we are editing rather than adding. So if they're happy with that, then they can go confirm that's good. And then we're going to introduce the brand tone. Again, we're starting with a default and a sample, so they know what these mean. They can have a play with it. It's actually quite fun to play with this, to see how you could change your tone. We default to a similar tone to what they've used on the website. And then they'll go ahead and do sort of their strapline in the same way and USPs in the same way. After done all of this, they're happy with it and they can go ahead and edit any of these again. And that's it. It makes the process really quick, really simple, and dare I say, a little bit fun.